you can chat here also. This is the I'm working update, status update and all. You can see the history, workload, Slack, you can connect to it. And so this is the something like we create a job project, components, release, and create tickets, and everyone has to work and update that. The few more options are here. You can, by the moment you read it, you'll understand that's not very difficult. So are you able to understand, all of you? Hello?
Yeah, Rajesh, I'm good.
Yeah. So now here you have a project settings. And under the project settings, you have so many options which you need to configure. So here you have summary, and these are the things we have. People, how many users is attached right now? No one. Permissions, you can set it up here. Notifications means how to trigger if changes has happened. Some of the workflows here you have, and issues here, types here you have, and so on. So many options are there. Let's explore one by one. So come to the front end, and let's say one requirement has come. Create account, create a ticket, and here you have a few options. Bug is there, improvement is there, task is there, new feature is there, epic is there. So I want someone saying, hey, can we add one more options here? Can we add it? So this kind of work you'll have it. Let's say enhancement is not there, improvement is there. I'm just cloning it. Enhancement is not there. So can we have a issue type enhancement also here? So yes, you have to work on it. Go to the project, and this is the project, and go to the project setting, and here under the project setting you have option type, issue type. See here, issue type. So these are the issue type, you have it. Can we add new one? So here, edit issue type, and here you see you have all the issues which is available for you. Story is not available, so you can drag it. It was available in the system, but you can drag it. So enhancement, the one which is planned, is not there. So what to do in this case? So cancel this. So here there's one options. Now I want you to see the setting options. Here, setting options. This session will be recorded, so you can follow the same way. Setting options, and here you have something like called system. And the system, if you scroll down left side, there is a one option you should be getting, issue type. Where is that? I'm also looking for it. You see, let me. Okay, system has been moved to the project, I guess, recently. So, okay, see here, issue. So mind it here, they don't get confused. Sometimes when I get confused, why? Because desktop version is completely different of cloud version. So if you got used to the desktop version, you'll have a little bit time adjusting here. So here, this is my project, and the requirement was to add a issue type. Which one? Enhancement. So for that, what you need to do, click on here issues, and these are the options available. Enhancement is there? No. Now here you see add issue type. Click on it, and enhancement, and I added one issue type. Now if you see that here is added, but it's not added to my project. Okay, enhancement is available, but it's not added to my project. So let me try to attach to my projects. So here I don't see any option. So what I'll do, I will go to, I'll go to project, PB, project setting, here issues, uh, types, and here edit, and here you see it has come. Drag this, that's all. And then where's the save button? It's here. I saved it. Now if I go to my project, okay, and you see I'm creating a project from issues from my ticket, and here you have enhancement. See here. Understood now, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So second person will ask you, hey, can we do one thing? Can we add one more field here? Because the some of the fields I want, which is not available. So what we do in this case? Can we add the field here? So now the question is how to add the field. So here, if you see that, I'll take you to the project setting first. Locate this project setting, and do you see somewhere that is called screens? Do you see somewhere screens? Here, field. Say issues field. Now here you can see these are the fields is active for you right now. Okay, and these are the fields is active for you. So how can we add more fields? So some of the fields are locked, some of the fields are not locked. So here I want to add. So what field I decided? Actions here, edit fields. So here if you see, these are the one which you have to enable it, and these are the one which is activated in your projects. Okay. So now how do we activate one more field here? So what to do? So let me see first. Uh, Come back to my project, bug track, and do you have any field which is city? I want to add city. Okay, country I had added earlier, so I want to add city. So what to do? So come to here issues. Here, this changes you do at the organization level, and after that custom field, and here there's so many fields are there. One of the fields I'm creating city just for the sake of demo. These are the HTML different types of it. So here single choice select list and city, and here Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata. Just for the sake of demo I'm showing you. It can be any different types of fields also. City. So guys, in the organization I added a city. Now here you have to select this city should be visible to which screens. So my project which is I'm working on it, which is PB, that's a short key. Okay, so here I want to display that. So now in the PV it will be there. Okay, and update it. Done. So now here I added. Now go back to PB project, and here go back to the setting here, project setting. Here fields, and here edit fields, and here you have to select that city. So where is city by the way? Here it is, and you see it's selected already. If you want to make it required or something, click on it and it will become required. City is here, and you want to edit something, so you can do that also. So now this is added. Can we go and create a ticket here? And where is the city? See here. Now the city is on bottom. I don't want to have in bottom. I want to have in top. So what to do? So for that you have to work with the screens. So let me show you just again. So custom fields is done, and I need to move up. So what to do? Field configurations, and let me click on it. This is same thing. Just give me 2 seconds. Yeah. So I need to work with the screens. Go to the screens, and this is the screens. You have configure, and you see these are the fields you have. Now this city you have in bottom, I want you to keep it somewhere here. City. Save button I think is not required here. And create a ticket. And now see on top. So this is the way you can also customize the forms also. Are you able to understand that? All of you?
Yeah, Rajesh.
So yeah, for using perspective, this is very simple. But when you tell you the customization, then you have to do some work actually. Okay, so now someone saying, Rajesh, this workflow we need to customize. For example, let me go to the project, click on this project, and this ticket is following this certain pattern here you see. So first the ticket will be on a to do, then in progress, then in review, and then done. This is the life cycle of ticket. So can we customize this workflow? So this we call it workflows in Jira. So how do we customize? So come to the project setting again. Do you see somewhere workflows? Here it is. So right now the default workflow, this is the one which is applied. So you can create your own workflows also and all, but I want to see. So you can see the text version of it, but you will not understand right now. You see the diagram version of it. This you will understand easily. So what to do? You want to edit? I am editing. So here you see the moment you click on edit, something will come up, some visual editor. Now this is where the people get frustrated many times, but you have to have your calm mind. Okay, so though it's very easy, but understanding is required. So this we call it status. This is status. This is status. This is status. This is status. Now this you see is transition. This arrow you see is transition. All means this from the ticket it can go from to do to everywhere. Okay, or sometimes you say no, it should go only to in progress. So here you will be having in progress. So here two things, status and transition. So now let me add it. You can drag this one also. Okay. So now I want to add some status after the to do on hold, which is not there. So can we do one thing on hold? So here you have add status, and there are few status which is been available, but I don't want to use it actually because I want to create a new one. In fact, on hold is there, so I can use this one also, which is already created but not used in this workflow. But I want to create one hold X just for the demo purpose. On hold X. This is a new one. So if you type, new status will be created. And you want to transition to all, that means ticket will be having this status, so you can transition to all. So click on here and add it. And this is some descriptions and all. And
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.